guys, this is how, today I just want to show you life in my 30s, how things are going, how beautiful it is, and welcome to my life at 30s. Yeah, I'm in 30s, and I am enjoying life currently. So this is how life in 30s looks like. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. Yeah, just it's at night actually. It's at today is on a Thursday. Yeah, today is on a Thursday. I think it's around 14th or 13th, somewhere Thursday, January, yeah, 2026. So I have just, it's at night actually, and I had ordered for Pizza Inn because I've been craving for these. Yeah, and then the spicy wings. Yeah, so this is what I'm having for the night. That's what I'm having together with pizza. So see you tomorrow. Stomach, there's a pain. Walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understand what my knees going. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? Hey guys, how are you doing? Yeah, I started the vlog yesterday, right? So today I'm dressed up already. Let me turn. I don't know why I love to talking to you using the mirror. Okay, outfit of the day, that's how it is. Don't worry about that, okay? Yeah, that's how it is. I'm putting on a dress. I'm heading to town to do some errands. I need to buy a lot of, I'm going to do shopping, and I need to buy a lot of things because currently I'm moving out of this house by the end of this month. So I'm going for shopping because I need to buy some new stuffs for my new home, new house, new apartment. Yeah, so that's why I have to go to the CBD. I'll take you along and show you a little bit of what I'll be doing there, although it's not promised because I don't usually love to vlog in town. But I hope you guys are fine. What's this? I hope you guys are fine. Just to say hi, because this is another vlog, a new day of course. So let's go shopping, and then I'll also have to buy some outfits for myself. Yeah, I've been shopping because usually when it's the beginning of the year, I usually love to do away with the old clothes. Yeah, I will have to give them out to the people I usually give my clothes when I don't put them on anymore. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll pick up some clothes, thrift of course, because I love them so much, and then shoes, and yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. I hope you're enjoying, so don't forget to subscribe, okay? Yeah, see you. Let's go. Come along with me. See, this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding. The sun is sunny. The sun is sunny, so we are outside. I'm walking. I'm going to check on the new apartment. Yeah, before I go to start doing anything, I want to go and check it and see how it is, the things that I'll be needing there, so that when I'm going to start shopping, I will know exactly what I want. So that's it. Let's go. When I drop the sound, I'm going to dance. I got to get it, to my dance. When I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I'm not getting name, I'm not seeing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. So guys, here I was. By the way, happy new year, because I haven't been doing voiceovers lately. Yeah, I stopped doing voiceovers in the last videos, I think around November, when last year 2025, when I was celebrating my birthday. So here I was just at my favorite thrift store, where I was just doing I was just trying to check on the outfits, because I was buying outfits here, because very soon I'm on another travels again. So I just promised myself this 2026 you'll always be traveling, staycations and all that. So for every travels I have to get a new outfits, because I'm currently changing my wardrobe, and I'm lacking a lot because I already gave out my clothes for the last year. So here I was just like taking at the look at the outfits I had chosen, and then I loved this top, although I ended up not buying it. And then there was this other top that I really loved it, so this one I bought it together with the skirt that you see over there. You see how much I'm happy? That's how it is. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel. And then there was this other trouser. I loved it so much because it's pure cotton, and guess what, it's from Shein. So this thrift shop is always about like a brand clothes. That's why I love it. So from there I went straight to the supermarket, Quick Mart, to buy the things that I needed for my new house. Although I'm not going to be showing my new house because of security purpose. I feel like I had overshared my current home to an extent I didn't have privacy, because almost everyone on this YouTube channel knows where I stay. So that's why I decided this round it's all going to be privacy, because I'm just trying to live a private life while I am vlogging. So do not expect a house tour, do not expect any location from me, because I just want to enjoy life peacefully, privately. Although I'll be showing like what I'll be doing, because my channel is all about lifestyle, travels and all that, okay? But showing my house and location, that is something that I cancelled for this year, and maybe entirely I will never post my location again. So I hope you're enjoying the videos.
You want a proper sex? Call me. You want to get your cook? Call me. You want the cheese tricks? Call me. Baby, hey, I know, hey. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body love it. I don't know what you do. Your body love it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah. Can't do percent to my day. I'm 21, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know. Yeah. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body love it. Speaks to me. I don't know what you do. Your body love it. Speaks to me. So sing for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You took my, yeah, yeah, yeah. You took my. Turn the music up all day. I wanna dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, come on your replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up all day? I wanna dance for wanting some more. Mr. DJ, it goes by one, even two by two. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Run it up one time, run it back once more. Run, 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 run. Everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. To the groove, run. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club, give me a run, run. If you're ready to move, say yeah. No time for your mindset, yeah. Well, I'm ready. to everybody in the club when we rockin' rhythm. Let the bass from the speakers run through your sneakers. Move both your feet and run to the beat. Run, 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 everybody move, run. Let me see you move, run. Rock it to the groove, run. Shake it till the moon becomes the sun. Everybody in the club and me a run, run. If you ready to move, say yeah. No time for your mindset, yeah, yeah. But I'm ready for it, let me show you. You want to prove I'ma show you how to move. Mr. DJ, open your replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got one that that's what wanted some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Come, Mr. DJ, open your replay. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? All they got one that that's what wanted some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Hey, Mr. Hey, Mr. DJ, tell me if it hit me. Turn the music up right now. Hey, Mr. DJ, tell me if it hit me. Turn the music up right now. Okay, everybody get down if you feel me. Put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Come and put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Put your hands up to the ceiling. Everybody get down if you feel me. Come and put your hands up to the ceiling. Mr. DJ, open your replay. Mr. DJ, open your replay. That's what wanted some more. Mr. DJ, open your replay. Mr. DJ, all they got one that's what wanted some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up?
Break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up.
Poured out the pink Lamborghini, just a race to China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Go bad, pretty bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smoking bricks to China. I saw my niggas up, cut the check, bust it down, bust it, turn your goofy down, down, down. I don't spend money, it's the business. I'm a bad bitch, I'm a dope bitch. I'm a bust it open. Go stupid, niggas say I don't get honey. Cookie on tsunami. All my niggas like me once they get that good punani. I think he need the funny. I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt in the smile of the Ronnie. Like supreme ass web and nigga. The ass bring me a job. Nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it wait in the cow. Nigga's name is Nicky. My name ain't a cow.
I tell my mom, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bring it up, bag 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 it up. I tell my mom, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. What all in the dope, what the one they talking about? All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month. Cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch. And your bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short. We won't ever